Preparing for a new baby isn't cheap, and as an expecting single mum, Carrie Risley's watching every cent. So she was shocked in June when she noticed her student debt had jumped $1,400 overnight.
Having this additional debt that I wasn't expecting to be increasing so much is worrying for the future.
Miss Risley's student debt is pegged to inflation, and the 4% rise meant almost all her recent repayments were wiped out. Inflation has piled more than $1.9 billion of extra debt on students in 2022, and that's expected to jump another $1.6 billion in 2023.
It'll have an impact long term on how long it takes people to pay this off, which will affect me in the future.
It affects all sorts of things, including how much you can borrow in a mortgage and your take-home pay.
House hunter Ben Haber's worried. His mortgage broker took issue with his $130,000 student debt.
Which was supposed to be the best loan I could ever get. It made me a bit upset to realise that that was holding me back from achieving such a big life goal.
It would be nice to get a break from the inflation.
So you could argue that government really hasn't paid enough attention to how help is expanding. We're really need to think about what would be the best form of repayment for the student loan system.
The government says the affordability of degrees will be reviewed as part of a new funding and policy agreement it hopes to broker with the tertiary sector.
A lot of the politicians that decided this got free degrees back in the 70s and 80s.
Gabriella Marchant, ABC News.